camera is protected enough from the wind. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 19. Why do I always look up? It's day 19, I know that. And Annie, don't mess up the intro this time. 19, not 2. It's a beautiful windy morning and you're gonna hear lots of it's a beautiful windy morning and you're gonna hear lots of windy noises, annoying noises. Hey, you made it up! Hey, Melody! She's so brave! Oh, she's shaking though. Also really cool, this tree. Just opens up and ends there. I don't know, was that lightning? I don't know what that looks like, but this is pretty cool. Let's see my tree. Eddie, yeah. Hello. Yay! You don't hear me, do you? Abby didn't kill the bunny, I swear. She was just acting strange. Yeah, that's why the dead rabbit. She doesn't have family. I hid some snacks here. Let's see if she'll find it. Okay, so. Now I'm gonna go to a drugstore and see if I can print out the picture I made with my brother. I took with my brother. Yeah. The camera took it. Oh, my jaw hurts. In the beginning it wasn't that cold, but now it's like, yeah. The wind furrows my jaw. I totally failed at vlogging today. I only filmed this morning when I was walking Abby. Okay, I'm gonna dye my hair now. I'm gonna take you with me and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. And of course, I don't want to mess up my new shirt, so I'm just gonna wear some old stuff. Ta-da! Removing stuff from my face I don't want to have there. Well, now I've washed it out and I lost you for a few seconds. I didn't find you. Yeah, I'm gonna blow dry my hair now and then you can see the result. And I feel sick. Ta-da! Probably looks black right now, but yeah, it's really dark brown and I really feel sick. Why do I feel sick? See you tomorrow. Bye.